Hi, it's Terry from Rustic Music, New Jersey, and my little buddy Pete the Raptor. He's my mascot buddy. You'll see him in a lot of my pictures and videos. We're here today to do a sound check on this bad boy. This is serial number 2008. It's built out of an Arturo Fuente cigar box, and it's an acoustic electric, and I'll just show you a little bit about it. It has a hand-carved bridge. This is a sync strainer for a sound hole. I've got a piezo pickup in it with a volume control only. That's all you need with this kind of a pickup. The tailstock is custom carved. It's a neck through the body design. So this is actually the end of the neck. Here's what the fingerboard looks like, fully fretted. And we go up here to a hand-carved nut. There we go. There's the headstock. And on the other side, we've got the back of the headstock. The neck is rounded, and that's all done by hand. The back of it is signed and numbered like all my pieces are. And on the end here is your jack for the amplifier when you want to run amplified. So I apologize for the lighting. I'll eventually get better at that. And I'm just going to sound test this thing. So I'm going to start off acoustic. This originally was intended to be an acoustic, and I put the pickup on it as kind of a bonus because it just really sounds great. So I'm just going to noodle around and play some of my favorite riffs that you've probably heard 100 times and that you're tired of hearing. This can be played either standard guitar style with your fingers or with a slide. Most of my favorite riffs are with my slide. And this is completely acoustic, not using the amplifier. So you see it's got a pretty good acoustic sound. Anything that I was just doing with that slide, I can do just with my fingers too. It just, the slide gives it some character. It just gives it a little bit of character using the slide. One of my riffs that I like to do sometimes works out better without the slide, but sometimes not. Better if I can hold on to the pick. So I'm going to plug this into the amp, and I'm going to show you what I'm using. This is just a little 15 watt line 6. It's an amp modeler. If I didn't lose my focus with the camera, they say that you're not supposed to be able to get a really good sound out of this type of a pickup, and I just call foul on that, and this is proof that you absolutely can. Just I hope I can fix that lighting when I produce this down. So here we go. I'm plugged into the amp, and all I've got on the amp is a little bit of reverb. Now there might be a little chorus too. It's got a lot of volume. But I'm going to leave it down about there. Here's a little riff that I'm just learning right now. So that's a little Neil Young riff that I'm learning. Let's see how this does. With the amp, I can play a little bit more precisely on it. What I can't do is hold on to the damn pick. You can see me moving the pick around because I keep losing my grip on it. But here's everybody's first cigar box guitar song that they probably should learn just because it's the easiest riff to learn. Everybody recognizes that. That's bad to the bone. Everybody recognizes that. I'd sing it today, but I can't sing. You don't want that to happen. So just a little bit more fooling around, and then we'll call it a day and consider this demonstrated. So there you go. That's 20-08. If I said 09 earlier, I'm sorry. It's 20-08. That's it for today. Have fun. Bye.